We are hiking up some Butte, and it's a very hot day with all these hills.
Where are we going? Show us where we're going.
We're going way up to the
Whoa.
very top, and then once we get there, we have a big surprise.
Let's check out the view first before we go around the corner. Out the distance there's Granite Mountain and Corey's Head.
And by the way, I'm going to tell you some things that you need to bring when you're hiking like this. Number 1, water. Number 2, food. Lots and lots of water, actually.
San Francisco Peaks.
And all the things to eat and drink you need. And always pack a lunch or breakfast with you, because this can get very tiring.
Whew, I beat you. Yeah, right.
Oh, hey, you guys again. Hey, Dad.
Hey,
We at least already climbed.
this is the nice part where there's railings
Yep.
and better cement. Let's check out this view.
And we still have like 4,000 feet to go.
Here we have.
And check out how close we are now.
Up, and there's the Butte. We're getting closer. All right. We'll see you. I'm going to follow you. I'm right behind you. Oh, yeah. I'm coming. I'm going to take a nap.
Yes, we're almost there. Yeah.
Water. I need water. I need water. Oh.
Oh, you're good.
We're almost there. Look at that view.
Don't worry about my dad. He's just crazy. Well, we're almost to the top. Just take a look how close we are.
Okay.
Take a look how close we are.
Yeah. That's about another, what, 2,000 feet?
Take that 4,000.
I made it. I made it all the way to the top. Climbed up this huge hill.
Dad.
Made it all the way. Hold on, I'm telling them something really cool.
Dad.
Yeah, and
Dad. We never made it
I knew
up
I could
yet.
do it. What?
We never made it up yet, Dad.
What are you talking about?
The top's right there.
Oh.
Come on, Dad. Get over here.
Hey, I'm right here.
Oh. Finally. What?
What's that say?
Oh, so that's great.
Oh, all the way up.
All the way up for no reason. Falcon nests.
Closed because of peregrine falcon nesting habitat. Oh.
That ruins our day.
Yeah. Oh well. We'll have to do it next
Man.
time.
Maybe we'll come back one day. Have another journey. And this is Corey and Kevin's day out.
Well, we're gonna go hike on the
Next
corner
time-
and eat. There's the top. There's Corey.
Next time
Top.
we will be going to
Me, Corey, top.
next time we'll be going to the bowling rink and have some fun.
The bowling rink. Oh, no.
And this is Corey and Kevin on their little vacation. Bye.
Let's go eat.
Let's go.
Right here we have another great view, but also cactuses. These are prickly pear cactuses, what Ethan calls porkly pigs. Porkly pines. All the same.
There's a bench over here.
Crazy dead tree. Woohoo! We're gonna go eat. Oh yeah. Isn't there one in the shade?
What?
I thought there was one in the shade around here. Mama. Oh, It's so hot in my bed. What's going on? What are you doing? Where am I? Whose camera is that? Where are we?
You're enchanted in the witch's forest.
You know what? We should probably start hiking.
Hiking where?
The sun's getting to me.
This is the witch's forest. There is no hiking.
I don't know where I am, who I am, what's going on.
You are a new slave.
We'll be coming round the mountain when we come. We'll be coming round the mountain. Looking for Corey. Ethan and Mom. Coming round the mountain when we come. Hopefully soon, because I'm getting hot and tired and dizzy and want to go.
And over there. Hey guys.
I think they're napping. We found them. We found Mom. Don't. We found them. They're sleeping in the shade. I think he's awake. That's quite a hike, let me tell you. So Ethan, guess what? They got the top blocked off because it's a falcon nesting area. What do you think about that? Go, buddy. See ya. Are you a hiking man? Look up there.
Oh, that's Thumb Butte.
Thumb Butte. It's Giant Thumb. Or a Butte.
I can hold Thumb Butte.
Yep, the sun's definitely gotten to you too, I can tell.
No! Stop!
What are you doing?
Mexican dance.
Is this the river dance of the Arizona mountains? Okay, you have fun entertaining everybody walks by. I'm headed out.
Gracias.
Don't let that tree fall down. Woo, it's leading. Oh, that's a tall one. Oh my goodness. Hey, let Ethan do it all by himself. Never mind, let Corey do it by himself. Here you go. Corey, we'll send for help, okay? Don't. I zoomed in on you. It was way too close. You'll be right there. Okay, we'll come back. 2 hours tops. That's a tall tree. Woo. It looks like it's a little bent.
Careful.
You know what? I see the count of 3. You let go of it and run. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Run!
Ah! Slipped.
You guys look like Spider-Man climbing that rock.
Thumb Butte, can't you get it?
Sorry.
Up to the top.
Look at him. Look at him. He made it. Oh, wait. Oh, it's just a giant rock. You guys are just on a rock. Thumb Butte's over there. So, we're almost there?
Yes.
How do you know?
I recognize this place from an hour ago.
An hour ago. You were hiking an hour ago?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of hiking. Hey, walk next to me, mister. Shaping our shadows. Shadows are walking down together.